Happy October, everyone. Thanks for joining me. We are going to do a short series on creating a journal using a 12 by 12 paper pack. My goal for this journal is to use up not necessarily as much of the paper pack as possible, but to use up, let's say I pull 16 pages out of it, to use up as much of each page as I can. So we're going to cut off the tops so that it'll be 12 inches tall, and we're going to fold the page in half so it'll be 6 inches wide. And then those pieces that I cut off, we're going to use as belly bands and pockets inside the journal. Hi friends, we are starting a new project and I am making a gift for my niece. She is a teenager and it is her dream to experience the van life when she is older. And so I purchased this paper pack. It's Amy Tangerine, and I thought the colors were perfect for her. We have these very cool vans. And so what I've done, we're gonna try to keep this journal simple and fun. So what I've done is I've tried to pull one image from each of the pages of this paper pack. You know, so there's, I don't know how many there are, I don't know, maybe 12, something like that. So what we're gonna, and then we have these that we can cut out later, but we're not near to that point. So the first thing that we're gonna do, just to keep this simple and fun, is we're gonna size each of these pages. I marked each page where I wanted to cut it, and now I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. All right, friends, we got them all cut. They should be 10 inches tall. Once we fold them in half, they should end up being 6 inches wide. So now we are going to go ahead and fold each one in half. All right, we got them all folded. We have 17 pages. We have all these that we will use to make pockets so that they're coordinating. And now we're gonna go ahead and tear this out, and we'll just go ahead and cut it, and then it will be ready for us to use inside of our journal. While I'm cutting this, I wanted to mention to you that in my description box, I will have some coupon codes for BB Craft items if you're interested, like free shipping, or I know right now they're having like holiday sale. So if you click the link, you can get the sale, you can get the free shipping. I usually forget to mention that in my videos, but that's something I'm going to try to do in all of my videos, just so you know. So even if I don't say it, just check my description box if you like to order from them. In this journal, I'm going to add some illustrations from some magazines that I have, just to add some splashes of color on some of the pages. So that's what I'm doing here, is I'm cutting some of the images from the magazine pages. Now I'm adhering those images to the white side of this scrapbook paper, just to add some interest and a little splash of color. Alright friends, so I've got all of our papers, and this scrapbook paper is one-sided, so I've turned them all so that the decorated side is folded on the inside. So that way I can go ahead and I'm just going to embellish all of the out sides now and do that all at once. I'm doing this journal a little bit different than I normally do, just to kind of mix up my technique. Plus the flavor of this journal is very different. So, you know, so I'm gonna treat it differently. And I want it to be fun. I want to have fun making it. And so that is what it's all about. But I think what I'm gonna do is take these scraps over to my sewing machine, and I'm going to use these as pockets and belly bands and things like that. So I will show you my completed sewing in this video when I'm done. Friends, I am finished sewing things in. You can see the stitching here. I'll quickly show you what I was able to get done. Sewed in this felt pocket here, did one on both sides. So that's not sewn, just decorated. Sewed in the belly band here, felt pocket. I also did some gluing. Like I mentioned before, I wanted to get the foundations done. I'm not going to ink this journal. This is going to be a brighter journal. I don't mind that the pages are white. In the next video, I will do all of the embellishing and stuffing of the pockets and all of that fun stuff. I hope you've had a good time, and I hope you will smash that like button and even subscribe to my page if you have not yet. Thank you if you have, and thanks for watching. See you soon.